Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to chat about a pretty handy skill, how to reprogram your garage door and opener. Maybe you've got a new remote or you want to update your security codes. Either way, this video is for you. So grab your opener's instruction manual, a compatible remote, and let's get started. Also, we have the step-by-step instructions on our website. Be sure to check the link in the description below this video. But first, let's cover some basics. Garage door openers work by sending a signal from a remote to the opener's motor unit, which activates the mechanism that opens or closes your door. Your remote might have one or more buttons, each programmed to operate a specific door. And your system might also have a wall-mounted keypad or an in-vehicle HomeLink system. It's important these devices are set up properly for safety and smooth operation. Before we get our hands dirty, safety first, right? Make sure to power off your garage door opener, keep the door fully closed, and clear any obstructions. Don't forget your safety gear, like gloves and safety goggles. Now, on to the main event. Reprogramming your garage door remote. Resetting your remote is as simple as finding the Learn or Program button on your garage door opener unit, holding it until the indicator light starts blinking, which erases all previously stored codes. Then, it's time to set up your remote transmitters. Press the Learn or Program button again, then press a button on your remote, and voila! Repeat for each remote and you're done. Test your remotes to make sure they're working correctly. What about resetting your opener's memory? Same deal. Find the Learn button, hold it until the LED light turns off, which unlinks any remote control devices and resets the memory. Now you're ready to reprogram your remotes and keypad as needed. Syncing your remote and opener is another important step. Press and hold the Learn button for 6 seconds until the light on the opener starts flashing. Then press the button on your remote to establish a connection. If everything goes right, you'll see the light bulb on the garage door opener light up or hear a confirmation click. But what if you run into problems? Weak batteries are often the culprit. Replace them and try again. If that doesn't do the trick, interference from other electronic devices could be to blame. You'll have to turn off any nearby devices one by one to identify the culprit, and there you have it. You're now a garage door opener reprogramming whiz. It's not just about security. It's also about syncing multiple devices for your convenience. Don't forget regular maintenance to keep your system running smoothly. If you're still having problems, don't hesitate to call a professional. Thanks for watching. We hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy tips and guides. See you in the next video.